Mr. Masimbe.
Itua riri rikinyanirio thutha wa Jaji Richard Mungo guthurima mateta maria marugamitio ni mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi akienda cira ucio guthamirio mucii wa Nairobi. Mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi akiuga haria mutino ucio wahanikire ni haingireirwo na ira cira-ini ucio kuheo mukana undu uria wagirwo kienene mucirithania Mungo akiuga thutha wa guthurima virus cia cira ucio ndonete handu cira ucio woingireirwo.
All the above reasons, the application for transfer of the proceedings in Naivasha criminal case 977 of 2018 to Nairobi is hereby declined. Accordingly, order number 3 of this court issued on 12 September 2018, staying the aforesaid trial court proceedings, is hereby vacated. The criminal trial should be mentioned within 7 days for notification of the orders herein. Orders accordingly.
Wagi wa wira kuma mwena wa thitango kuonania kuri andu mahetwo mukana ni ungi wa maria macungireirie ihoya riu guteanirio.
Overall, there is nothing in the proceedings of the trial court that on balance appears to me to truly lend itself to creating a reasonable apprehension on the part of the prosecution that the trial is unfairly managed and therefore should be transferred.
Andu 48 nio makuire mwena wa Solai kumana na gututhuka kwa demu ya Patel. Mutino uria kamiti ya Senate thutha wa guthurima uria demu yo yakitwo yaugire wacungireirio ni wagi wa kihariro kuri ene. Ni mutino uria wacungireirie ndũgamano ya kiuteti gatagati ka atongoria Naikuru makiria gatagati ga seneta wa kaunti ya Susan Kihika na mubunge wa Bahati Kimani Ngũnjiri. Ndũgamano iria yatambirio nginya marĩhi-inĩ maria aria mahutirio ni mutino ucio maheagwo ni mwene demu iyo. Hamwe na aria magomeirwo ni thitango 48 cia uragani matekwenda ni mwene demu iyo uria ni Perry Mansur, Vinod Jayakumar, Luka Kipyegen, Johnson Njuguna, Winnie Muthoni gatagati kagi riri na uria mahutirio ni mutino ucio marathie na mbere na gwicokaniriria makihoka kihoto kiao no gikonekana. Hadu ni Hakameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina Kĩhumo.